We know you are always on the lookout for the most suitable products to satisfy your custom requirements. That's why we at TechBee have come up with this list specifically made for you. Whether you want to splurge all of your money or simply want an affordable option, we have the right choice for you. Oh, and don't forget to look at the description below to see updated prices and offers that you might get. Let's get started.
The best gaming TV delivers a crisp 4K picture with true pitch blacks, brightest highlights, and spectacularly vibrant color. It offers 4K resolution, high dynamic resolution, 120 frames per second, variable refresh rates, ray tracing, input latency, and more.
Not everyone can afford big bucks on the pricey models on the market. This one is the right pick for you if you're looking for a budget option.
Up first is the LG OLED 55CX PUA. This 54.6-inch OLED TV features a native resolution of 3840 by 2160 and provides detailed UHD images with enhanced black and contrast OLED technology levels for a more vibrant color. Its Gen 3 AI processor is engineered to use AI and deep learning to upscale lower resolution content to near 4K. And its ThinQ technology integrates the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for making it easy to control with other compatible smart devices. Plus, its Dolby Vision IQ can automatically adjust the vision picture settings based on ambient lighting and content genres. And it also helps to create a multi-dimensional surround sound experience to flow around you.
If you don't get your money's worth, there's no point in purchasing the costly models. Well, buddy, the next product on this list gives you the best value for your bucks spent today.
This TV from Samsung features a 49.5-inch quantum dot LCD panel to produce vibrant color and incorporates motion rate 240 technology to digitally enhance fast-moving images with reduced blur. Its full direct array 8x backlights can intelligently adjust to provide richer black levels for augmented contrast. And its onboard processor helps to optimize the picture to deliver a more immersive experience. Plus, its dedicated up-firing and down-firing speakers audio can track every motion on the screen to create a more realistic 3D sound experience. And its Real Game Enhancer Plus with extra motion clarity can automatically reduce the halo and blur in fast-moving game scenes. And its AMD FreeSync helps reduce tearing and stuttering.
Are you looking for the highest-end model here? Next up is the model that none in the market can compete with.
This Sony Class Smart LED TV comes with a 54.6-inch LED display, and its HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Vision compatibility offer a wide color gamut with an enhanced brightness and contrast to provide vibrant, lifelike images for compatible content. Its 4K HDR processor upscales full HD images to near 4K resolution with the 4K X-Reality Pro engine. And its X-Motion Clarity technology can improve the on-screen action in real time with an enhanced refresh rate, brightness, and clarity. Plus, its built-in Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity allow access to the Google Play Store and internet-based content via the Android TV operating system. And its Sony 4K gaming features a dedicated game mode for a smoother, more responsive gaming experience.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
This Hisense H8G Quantum Series ULED Smart TV combines incredible ultra-bright 4K detail with Android TV and provides quick access to entertainment and apps. Its Dolby Vision HDR picture and Dolby Atmos sound technologies create a genuinely cinematic experience featuring astonishing images with enhanced color and incredibly immersive audio. And its full-array local dimming zones deliver a superior HDR experience with up to 700 nits peak brightness across up to 90 local dimming zones. At the same time, its game mode can significantly improve the input lag for optimized gaming. Plus, it can be controlled with an easy-to-use voice-enabled remote or through an Alexa-enabled device. And it can do tasks like open or search for apps, control the volume and inputs, or search for your favorite TV shows and movies.
This one can be an excellent pick for anyone due to its multi-purpose function.
This TCL 6 Series 65-inch class HDR 4K UHD Smart QLED TV comes with a natural motion 480 motion enhancement technology and helps to reduce the blur associated with fast-moving on-screen objects. It features a native resolution of 3840 by 2160, and its mini LED backlighting technology provides a bright, uniform image with local dimming control for enhanced contrast. Plus, its game mode can eliminate image smear, response time lag, and input lag. And it combines the variable refresh rate and auto game mode for a smoother, optimized gaming experience. And its AI PQ engine by machine learning algorithms intensifies color, contrast, depth, and overall clarity for a better HDR 4K experience.
Now, if durability is your primary concern, then the next product would be an ideal choice for you.
This LG Smart Nano Cell IPS LED TV features a native resolution of 3840 by 2160 and allows you to view detailed UHD images with enhanced IPS technology viewing angles. It offers balanced light for deeper black and enhanced contrast from edge to edge with full array local dimming. And its Web OS platform helps make it fast and easy to stream movies and shows with your favorite apps. As well as its Magic Remote provides voice and motion control to enable you to ask the TV to do things with just your voice or by pointing, scrolling, and clicking. Plus, its HDMI ports and eARC supports wider bandwidth for higher frame rates for sports and gaming. And its variable refresh rate delivers the best graphics with minimal screen tearing for smoother gameplay and maximum gaming experience. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and would like to hear more from us, please hit the subscribe button below.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.